In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record audio in Canva without using a camera. Many people might not be aware that Canva, primarily known as a design tool, has audio recording capabilities that can be really helpful for creating engaging presentations, webinars, or podcasts. So if you're looking for a way to add narration to your designs without the hassle of setting up a camera, you've come to the right place. Let's dive straight into the process. The first thing you need to do is open Canva and navigate to your design. Once your design is open and ready, look towards the top right corner of the toolbar where you'll find the Share button. Click on it. This is the gateway to all of Canva's sharing and content collaboration functions, including our desired audio recording feature. After you've clicked Share, a menu will appear with several options. Now, you're going to focus on the Present and Record option. Select this as it directs you to what Canva calls the Recording Studio, making it effortless to capture voiceovers alongside your designs. Once you have chosen Present and Record, a new window will guide you to Go to Recording Studio. This is where all the magic happens. Selecting this option opens up a unique interface specifically for recording purposes, allowing you to fine-tune your audio inputs before you start recording. Now that you're in the recording studio, you'll notice camera settings right at the center or off to the side, depending on your current setup. Click on these camera settings options even if you aren't planning to use a camera. This step is crucial because it leads us to the option of disabling the camera. Here comes the key part for those focusing purely on audio. Once you've accessed the camera settings, you'll see an option to select No Camera. Click this and ensure that your camera is turned off. This way your recording will be purely audio, which is perfect if you want to add a professional sounding voiceover without video. With the camera disabled, you're now set to record just your voice. To start recording, simply click on the Start Recording button. Canva will begin capturing your audio, integrating it seamlessly with your presentation. Make sure to speak clearly and at a steady pace, keeping an eye on any audio indicators that might help you monitor your volume levels. Once you've finished your recording, remember that Canva automatically saves it, which eases the worry about losing your work. You can always review and edit your saved audio within Canva to ensure it's exactly how you want it to be. And there you have it. Now you know how to effectively record audio in Canva without the need for a camera. Feel free to experiment with this feature to enhance your designs and presentations in ways that grab attention and communicate your message clearly. Happy designing, and until next time, keep exploring all the creative possibilities.